Okay, so now we're going to work on donning a button-down shirt with hemi dressing or one-handed techniques. So this is my affected arm, and remember our techniques are that the affected limb goes in first and out last. So I'm going to put the label facing up with the neck near my knees. So I'm going to spread out the shirt, and a common mistake that people make is that they want to put the limb in the sleeve here. But you have to remember that this is going to go around me. So I'm going to take the sleeve on the opposite side here, which is actually the one that goes for that arm. I'm going to make a tunnel between my legs. I'm going to put my weak arm in the tunnel, pull the shirt up over it as high as possible. Then I'm going to either reach behind me or I'm going to throw it around, whatever works, so that I can put my other arm in. Then we have to straighten it out. Now, buttoning can be quite a challenge because, you know, men's shirts and women's shirts button in the opposite direction. And button hookers really work best if you're using it from the side that you have strength. So the way a button hooker works, it goes through the buttonhole, it hooks onto the button, and then you can pull the button through the hole. Honestly, I find this to be very cumbersome and not working very well, as you can see. So I would just button it by myself with my fingers. I think that's a lot easier, like that. So now to take the shirt off, still following the same technique, so affected arm in first, out last. I'm going to unbutton it, but even though my affected arm is going to come out last, little trick, I'm going to just slip it off the shoulder. And that's because this way, when I start to pull it off my unaffected arm, it will slide down easier because it's already sliding down my affected arm. And then I can just pull it off and pull it out.